Good morning to all. Myself Dr. K. Manoharan, Associate Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering. So today class we are going to discuss about addressing modes for memory data. So previous class we have seen that basics of addressing modes, immediate addressing mode and register addressing mode. Now we are going to see detail about the way of accessing that particular data in the memories. Look at this first one, direct addressing modes. So the name itself, it have the meaning. So the address is specified directly in the instruction itself. So that effective address, that is we can say it is an obsolete address. So that will be specified in the instruction itself. Look at the example for this. Move bx comma, we take this square bracket. So 1354h. So h indicates hexadecimal, actual value is 1354. This is a 16-bit value. So this value will be considered as an address. The content present in this address will be moved to bx register. Look at this, bx register is a 16-bit register. So how this will map means, so you need to consider two locations. So 1354 and 1355. So these two location content will be moved to bx register. The 1354 content is moved to BL and 1355 content will be moved to BH register, because source and destination must be a same size. So once if you use a 16-bit register, automatically it map for a two consecutive locations. Look at the second example. Move BL comma square bracket of 0400H. So the content present in this location of 0400 will be moved to BL register. Here only a 8-bit data, so it refers only a one location. So if you look at this direct address with the register immediate addressing mode, so there the no square bracket will be used. So if you take the same example, move bx comma, without this bracket, if you put 1354h means this 1354 will be moved to BX register. This is immediate addressing mode. So the only change is this square bracket. So square bracket indicates that address. The content present in this address only will be considered. Again, this will be used as an offset address. Base address will be refers that corresponding segment. So data segment into 10 plus this 1354, that physical location or address only consider, that data will be moved. Look at this next addressing mode, register indirect addressing modes. So it have that the address is specified indirectly by using these registers. So that effective address that will be specified indirectly by using the registers. Look at this, the registers used are BX register, BP register, DI, that is BX register, base pointer, destination index or source index. Anyone can be used for this. Look at the example here. Move CX comma BX. So the content present in this address of BX. That is, for example, BX is 1255 means the content present in 1255 will be moved to CX. That is that location, and next location will be moved to CX. So what is the specialty or what is the need for this addressing modes means, whenever you are using loop, so we need to access the consecutive data. There this indirect addressing mode will be best suitable, because even if the loop repeats for 5 times, we use a direct addressing mode 5 times access the same 5 data. It is not possible to access next data, but if you use a register indirect addressing mode, we can get a consecutive data. So this is the best suitable for an array of data. Look at the actual operations. So effective address, this will be consideration the content present in this BX. So BA will be, that is a base address. So data segment into 16, because it's a decimal here. Instead of that, we can put is a hexadecimal 10, that is 10 base 16. So this will be multiplied. That address will be added with this effective address. Same physical address generation concepts. So now our physical address will be equal to base address into 16 plus effective address. Simply here if you say this means data segment into hexadecimal 10 plus the corresponding this register value will be considered as a physical address. The content present in that particular location will be moved to CX register. After that, that register, what means actually we need to take it for a 2 register. So CX means it's a hexadecimal, that is a 16-bit. So we need to use CL and CH. CL for a lower 8-bit and CH for a higher 8 bits. Look at this next addressing mode, based addressing modes. So here also we use base register. So base register means we can use a BX or a BP, base pointer or a BX register, that will be used for an that specific offset address. This offset address will be used with another values. So we can take it is an effective address. So plus offset. So offset means actually already we have a base register, plus we have an effective address, plus you have one added value. That value will be considered as an offset here. Look at this example. Move ax comma square bracket of bx plus 08. So the bx content will be added with the 08. After that value, that will be considered as an address. So from that address, the content will be moved to ax. So the content on that particular location and next location will be moved to ax registers. Thank you.